What skill sets do IT services companies look for while hiring them?
IT services typically would cover application development and maintenance. So for a fresher, now the fresher could join as a developer or could join as a tester. If it's a developer, obviously he would need to have very keen sense of logical thinking and ability to translate what is known as your business language into a language that is understood by the machine or the platform that the person will be working in. So it is listening skills is extremely important, because a systems analyst can only be as strong as what he is able to interpret when he is talking to a business user and translating the requirements from a business perspective into a code that will work. So listening comprehension and ability to logically think, and of course attention to syntactic detail, because a lot of programming languages that will be needed to write a code will require certain discipline of mind in terms of understanding its syntax and the grammar that it follows. On the other hand, further down the road, testing is also very important, often seen as a second cousin, but it's also an important part in the life cycle of application development and maintenance. Now, testers could either be technical testers, which ensures that the code that has been written delivers, the right logic in terms of the programming language in which it was written, and the tester could also be functional. That means he could also come back and say, this is not the way the business logic was supposed to work, and so both functional and technical testers are critical in development of either a product or a service to a customer.